Just walking after work. This is the Martin Place. City bus. And that way, papunta sa St. Mary's Cathedral. Kailangan kong tumawid. Go. Sarap tumambay dito sa park. It's 4 PM na dito. Pero maaraw pa. Sarap pumiga dyan, oh. Oh, naglalaro ng chess. Pigeons and ibis. Naglalakad lang ako ngayon. Gusto ko sa malayo-layo bago ako sasakay. This is the St. Mary's Cathedral here in Town Hall. Need to go to, kailangan kong pumunta sa this is the St. Mary's Cathedral dito sa Town Hall. And dyan kami nagsisimba. Oh no. I just...
Where are we going now? You want to look at the hedges?
Oh. Hi. Ooh. Dito, pasok ka sa office at pauwi sa office, sobrang exercise kasi ang haba ng lalakaran mo, pero at least relaxing pa rin naman. Nice view. Close yung main door. Yeah. St. Mary of the Cross. This one on the other side. Ano ba to? Kahit yung... Huh? I need to cross. Over there. Yeah. Kumaway siya, kala niya nag-vlog ako. I'm not vlogging, just trying to capture the view ako dapat tumawid. Tomorrow is another day. Going back home. Oh, Prince Albert RT. So, papunta doon is sa Martin Place. Next to Town Hall. And papunta doon, I'm not so sure, St. James yata. No need to cross. And I should be on the left. Going to Martin Place. There marami ditong park as in bawat kanto. Sobrang dami. Ha? Init pa. Spring na kasi dito. Tapos na yung winter. So it's so hot pero feels so cold. Maaraw na malamig. This one is going back to Town Hall. Dula ako sa malayo dumaan. And this is Hay Park. Yeah. Here it is. Sa Martin Place. Look at the place. Dadaan tayo sa Parliament House. Tapos sa likod nun is public library. Parang Luneta. Sarap maglakad kasi ang lamig. Maaraw na malamig. This is the High Court. Parang Court of Supreme Court sa atin, low courts. The Mint. Birds. Lots of birds. Saan sila papunta? This is Sydney Hospital. So big. Anak naman. Dito sila papunta sa Sydney Hospital building. Oh, because hapon na. Walking. Again. Where should I go? Should I go here? Okay. Sydney Eye Hospital. I know. Dapat dun ako sa kabila dumaan. Let's go back. Mali. I want to show you the public library kasi. Kaya dito tayo dadaan sa kabila. And
information we give them, the more
hospital. Marami nang pauwi kasi this is the Parliament Office. Parliament House, I mean, sorry. Sa unahan. So Actually, ito na yung Parliament House. Kaya lang nandun pa yung main entrance niya sa unahan. Kaya doon pa tayo sa kabila dadaan sa likod ng Parliament House. Oh, this is actually the Parliament House. This is the main entrance of the Parliament House. Yep. And this is the public library. Natabi lang ng Parliament House. Okay, nandito na yung bus. I need to ride. Ay, hindi pa to. I should wait. Then, dito ako. I'm gonna wait a bus here. Going home. Ayoko ngayon mag-train.